This is a snapping turtle. We found this little guy on our driveway. We didn't even know that we had snapping turtles. So we put him in the water, and before we knew it, he was gone. He dug and dug until he was completely covered beneath the mud. You wouldn't even know he was there, which is not good since the fact that he is a snapping turtle and can easily bite us. Now that we have seen him do that, we will definitely be more careful around our creeks. Here are some photos I took of the little guy.